Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to download and run 42 on your machine. So, first you need to go to the 42 website. That is just l42.is, 6 character, l42.is. And on the website you can click on download and you will get two links. One suitable for Windows and one suitable for Linux. And yeah, I should probably add a link for Mac. That's work in progress at the moment. Then you will download the zip unit and you will get a zip somewhere on your machine. You will unzip it and you will get a portable folder that you can put it wherever you want and have everything that is needed self-contained. And here, for example, for Windows we have an l42.bat. For Linux you will have an l42.sh. So you run on it and the 42 IDE starts. Now, a 42 project is a folder, so we have to create a folder to store our first example project. So I can go, for example, in desktop, make a new folder, test l42. And then I can select folder. And the IDE will open a default Hello World. Then I can press run. And the first round is going to be a little bit slow because it's rebuilding everything here, you know? So it's rebuilding strings, numbers, and so on. And here we have Hello World printed. And if I want to modify it, like Hello World 2, I run, and as you can see, in an instant you get Hello World 2. This is a main in 42, not just because it's called main, you know, you can call it in the way you want. But it's like a top-level command. And the interesting bit in 42 is that you can have more than one main. And you will see how this is quite important in 42. Many 42 projects have like thousands of mains. Also, notice how now I added a main, I modified the strings, I reprinted, and I get both printouts. If I run it again, nothing happened. And this is the expected correct behavior. 42 have a very strong caching system built into it. And so here the language is recognizing that those two mains have already been executed and they don't do any persistent side effect, and so there is no reason to re-execute them. If I were to change one of them, I will get a printout only on that one. And if I change, for example, the first one now, I get both of them because something has changed above line 5. Now, what could be a nice next thing to do? Well, let's make one of the most simple classes that we make when we learn to code, a point class. And in a point class, we want a number x and a number y. And we will pass this class to the decorator data. And yeah, you can put a comma if you want or not. Commas are options in 42. And then, well, we want to create a point. So p equal point, x equal 10 number, y equal, I don't know, 25 number. And if I run it, well, I forgot to print the point, but it's working. So let's print our point. In 42 we have string interpolation for strings. So if I do this, you get your printout for your point. Now, 42, the IDE now support hints. that are a weaker form of autocompletion. I can improve it in the future maybe, but for now it's already pretty good. And so, for example, if I do p dot, I see a list of methods. And if I start writing, so for example, with is selecting method that start with. And as you can see, there are quite some methods in point, but we only specified x and y. And that's because data is taking the general data structure that we are passing, this is just the fields x and y, and is producing a lot of useful methods over it. So for example, let's keep looking about those with method. I can make, I don't know, 42 num, p2 equal p with 42 num, and now I can print 2 points. And as you can see, while you are typing, the hints will get crazy. That's expected. And if I run, I get the first point is in position 1025, and the second point is 4225. So we have created a new point that looks like the old one, but with the x changed. And of course, we can do the same for the y. If we wanted, I don't know, a list of points, we could do points equal collection dot list of point. And then we can make our points equal points of p and p2. And then we can print our list of points. And here we are. So, other thing that I want to show you today is the overview. So if you click on overview, you get a chunk of generated code that contains all the information about everything in Adam Towel and all of the classes that you've created. So here there is your point class with all the methods generated by data, and here there is your points list of points with all the methods generated by collection. And there are quite many because collections in 42 are very expressive and there are a lot of methods that do interesting things. And I think this is good for this starting point. And we should meet in a few more days for some more meaningful 42 codes.